Good morning. It is currently 75 degrees in Gilbert, Arizona, which is where I will be beginning my journey today. Now, where I come from, there's no shortage of city slickers that will blow all their money on giant lifted trucks, but I happen to do all my off-roading in a Japanese SUV, so let me show you what I've got for cargo. Now, I'm acting as a scout vehicle today. Basically, I'm transporting more cargo than people. Now, my only personal effects are up there in the front seat, basically, so what's the rest of this mess? Well, most importantly is that I'm bringing up shade structure. So we've got this nice thing with a metal frame as well as rope awnings that we can attach basically wherever we like. These things, that's actually not my food. These are all donations for a local charity that we work with. Camping supplies in case we need them. This guy up here is a portable first aid kit. So in the event of an emergency, I not only have my regular box in here, I also have other field supplies that I can just throw over my shoulder and march on out to the site of an emergency. So this stuff is really important. The shade is extremely crucial. Now, the human body can withstand quite a bit of heat, and mine's going to have to over the next couple of weeks. However, that's only possible if you're able to take periodic breaks. Your body has to be able to cool off in between those hot spikes. So the first love of every desert animal is the shade, and I'm no exception. And with that, I will be heading out into the field on my day-long drive. Hopefully I'll be able to visit some sites tonight, but if not, I will be recording from the field tomorrow morning. I hope you decide to join me in this journey because I think we're both going to have a lot of fun here.